Good morning, friends. Today I'm making a video on surface treatment before powder coating. This is a very good topic and very important topic in the powder coating session. But before starting my video, I will request you all, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that next time whenever I'll upload any video, you will get on time. This video is prepared by Sai Consultancy, Faridabad. If you have any problem and you want solution regarding either powder manufacturing or powder application, you can call Sai Consultancy. The number is 9311640534. So today's topic is surface preparation for powder coating. So friend, this is pre-treatment process and training. So surface preparation can be done by two processes. One is sandblasting, in which surface is etched with high pressure grit or sand, and after that powder coating is done directly. There is no chemical process is required. But if we will not do sandblasting, then chemical treatment is required. So first we will understand why treatment is required. Pre-treatment is required before powder coating or any paint to promote adhesion of organic coating, to improve corrosion resistance and creation of an even surface by covering irregularities in the substrate. Theory of corrosion. What is corrosion? Dear friend, corrosion is the destruction of steel that can be detected by rust formation. This is basically an electrochemical process where the redox reaction results into corrosion of metal. For corrosion to occur, the following must be present: an electrolyte, an anodic process and a cathodic process, electron flow from anodic to cathodic area. The rate of oxidation must be equal to rate of reduction, and reducing either will reduce rate of corrosion. This is the process of anodic or cathode. In general, the anode is a electrode that positive current flows into from the outside, and the cathode is the electrode that it flows from to the outside. Electrons, of course, flow the opposite ways. In electrochemistry, the anode is where oxidation occurs, that is loss of electron, and cathode where reduction occurs, that is gain of electrons. Corrosion as an electrochemical process. A piece of bare iron left outside where it is exposed to moisture will rust quickly. It will do so even more quickly if the moisture is salt water. The corrosion rate is enhanced by an electrochemical process in which a water droplets becomes a voltaic cell in contact with the metal, oxidizing the iron. This is the diagram. This is the corrosion coating technique history, how the corrosion production started. Normal process in 1869, then high temperature is developed in 1927, then high temperature again from 1950 with different parameters. This is various surface used for coating, that is HRS, hot rolled steel, cold rolled steel CRS, hot dipped galvanized, electro galvanized, alloy steel, aluminum and its alloy, and substrate with special coating. Pre-treatment purpose: to clean the surface from grease and oil, to remove solid particles and salts, to convert the surface for corrosion resistance, coating adhesion to the object, and increased surface area. So many times we have heard somebody is using 7-tank system, somebody is using 3-tank system. So what is the difference between 3-tank, 4-tank, 7-tank? So this is basically number of tank used for the surface treatment. Number one is degreasing, whether spray or dip. Second tank contains water for rinsing the grease chemical. Tank 3 is activation. Then tank 4 is phosphating. Phosphating is done if it is MS, but if it is steel or some other metal, surface treatment will be different. Then after phosphating, the water rinsing is required. Then passivation, and then demineralized water rinsing. The purpose of PT chemical on substrate: degreasing removes all oil, grease, dust from the surface by saponification and emulsification reaction. Water rinse after degreasing, responsible for the thorough rinsing of detergent, degreased surface, or remove degreasing chemical like surface condition. Then phosphating provide finely crystalline non-metallic phosphate coating which inhibits corrosion resistance and improve adhesion and durability of the paint finish. So this is different chemical have different responsibilities. Parameter important for cleaning. Number one is time. Time is very important and it depends on chemical from one supplier to other. So please very stick with the time guided by your supplier. Then mechanics, how you are going to clean. Then chemistry, what is the chemical formulation of your chemical. Then temperature, of course. The result at elevated temperature will be better than result at a room temperature. Activation is must. Activation prior to phosphating is essential in order to get compact and uniform coating. Titanium phosphate based alkaline activation is used. Then phosphating chemical. Phosphating is an electrochemical process. The steel surface is converted into a surface with inorganic coat over it in this stage. Trication- Tricatanic phosphate are used for automotive and electronic auto ancillaries. Tricatanic phosphate is based on three cations, mainly zinc, manganese, and nickel. This is trication. Properties of phosphate chemicals: etching, pickling of the surface, formation of phosphate crystals, then formation of sludge. Why trivalent cationic phosphate is important? Zinc. It is used because it has more corrosion resistance. It is heavy metal. Nickel. It is used in coating so as to make the crystal's structure as compact as possible. However, the emission of nickel causes carcinogenic disease. So manganese, it is used to harden to the coating and is one of the important parameter for running the system at low temperature like 45 to 50 degrees centigrade. The sludge formed is soft and can be removed easily. The coating weight is around 2 to 3 grams per square meter. Then after phosphating and water rinsing, the passivation is required. This process is used to fill up the void spaces present on the coating so as to increase the following thing: to improve the corrosion resistance, to dissolve excessive secondary crystals, to reform defective phosphate coating. Phosphatic coating is also known as blue coating or gray coating. Why passivation is required? Chromate are considered to be carcinogenic. Trivalent chrome containing sludge is explosive to dispose. Reduction of chrome valency 4 and chrome valency 3 is effluent, is state of art. Chrome free passivation is based on zirconium and the performance is same as chrome based passivation. This is why chrome is used. So this chrome fills this gap, the blocking by chromium zirconium. Let's see. Yellow phosphate coating, improper degreasing. So the remedy is improved decreasing bath and efficiency. Is then aged surface activation bath provide this renew activation bath. These are causes and these are remedies for yellow phosphate coating. Normally it should be gray. Patchy phosphate coating. So normal causes are improper degreasing, interstage drying, fresh aged surface activation bath, or less or more accelerator content in phosphate bath, high phosphate bath temperature, less zinc content of phosphate bath, and inadequate phosphate bath circulation. So these are remedies. Improved degreasing, these are normal thing. Improved degreasing bath efficiency. The thin bluish phosphate coating, improper degreasing, interstate drying, the latest technology in pre-treatment chemicals, The biodegradable degreasers, inorganic, that is caustic, silicates, phosphate, organic surfactant. Organic chemicals are essentially based on carbon along with other elements such as hydrogen, oxygen. Some of the organic chemicals like surfactant are quite complex in chemical structure. To maintain the ecological balance, such as organic complex chemicals degrade with the help of available oxygen to simpler structure. Theoretically, the simplest degraded structure are carbon and water. This is physical properties of cationic phosphating chemical. Coating weight, dip system, CRS, cold rolled steel 1.3 to 3.8 gram per square meter, zinc coated steel 1.6 to 4.3 gram square meter, then galvanized steel, then aluminum. Coating weight of different metal. This is raw, you can see. If this is basically diagram of effluent treatment plant. Thank you. So friend, this was only theoretical session. In the next session, I will show you the practical from chemical process. Thank you.